In this video, I am going to show you how to verify your X account. So, verifying your X account is very easy, but you will need to pay for it. So, once you go to x.com as example, you should find yourself here. If you go on this left panel, you should find your account right here, and you can find also your profile option. Just go and click on that profile, and you'll be taken here. So, all you need to do here, as you can see, you aren't verified yet. Get verified for boosted replies, analytics, ad free browsing, and more. So, to get verified, I'll just go and click on get verified here. And once I do so, they will take me here. So, do I want to get this premium version, where I'll have to pay $7 per month? Of course, I can go and bill myself annually if I want to, or monthly, sorry. This is annually. So, monthly is going to be $7 per month annually, and monthly is going to be $8 per month. So choose the one that suits your needs. As you can see, there's the premium and premium plus. Premium plus will get you, as an example, more stuff like full ad-free, largest reply boost, right article, radar, and grok AI with the highest usage limits and other stuff. So what you'll need to do, simply go choose the one that you need. Let's say, example, this one. Click on subscribe and pay. Then you will be prompted here to pay your subscription. Click on subscribe. Once you pay, everything will enter your information and you will be verified on your X account without any problems. So you will find here a check button that you're verified. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.